Hi, this is Lori Hines with Cook, Learn, Grow. We are here today with a special guest, Chef Brandon Scawthorn. We met Chef Brandon Scawthorn about 5 years ago. You may remember the very first kids cooking show was on Food Network. It was the Rachel Ray versus Guy Fieri, the kids cook-off show, and that aired in 2011, I believe. And the winner of that very first kids cooking show was none other than Chef Brandon Scawthorn from Austin, Texas. And we're here today with him to catch up with him and see what's going on with him and to hear his story, because his story is what's the most important thing. So welcome, Chef Brandon.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great today.
Good. Good to see you again. Good to catch up with you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember the night we were in your home celebrating that big win.
Oh, that was wonderful.
Yeah, that was a wonderful experience. So you were on the very first kids cooking show, Food Network, like I just mentioned. And so tell us briefly about that experience. And then I really want to hear how you got to that point in your life.
The whole experience of being in TV, especially for my first time, it was very exhilarating for me. It was completely crazy. At the beginning, I really didn't know what was going on or what I was going to be doing, but kind of whenever I got into the kitchen there and actually began cooking, everything really felt natural for me, and that all kind of helped me because my mom, whenever she was a stay-at-home mom, whenever she just got from Ukraine to my dad, I was over her shoulder almost my entire childhood, my toddler life, learning from her, and I guess the whole cooking thing stuck to me, and it's just kind of become a part of my life now.
Okay, so what I heard is that you were in the kitchen with your mom from a very young age, and your mom allowed you to cook. Is that right?
Yeah, it is. It's fantastic. I mean, it's just one of those things where I've kept on going. It's just like, it's something that even now that I'm not really doing as much with TV, it's just something that's stuck to my entire life. It's like I'm almost cooking dinner, making new recipe plans every night.
Okay.
It's just something, yeah.
That is amazing. Well, this is the story of Cook, Learn, Grow. Our story is similar to yours. Our whole mission is to get kids in the kitchen, for moms to get their kids in the kitchen with them, because obviously we can see from what you have done, it's a life skill, it builds self-confidence, and it's healthier overall. It's a foundation, it's a platform for healthy living. No matter what you're cooking, that's the foundation. Would you agree?
Yeah, it's definitely a life skill that every child needs, especially when they're growing up, in my opinion.
Great, great. Well, it was great catching up with you. We would love to see you, maybe one of our cooking schools, one of our classes or something, but it was great to catch up with you, and thanks for visiting us today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is Lori Hines with Cook, Learn, Grow with Chef Brandon Scawthorn, winner of the very first kids cooking show in 2011. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.